Thank you for joining me today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm joined with Urban Legend just there.
Hello.
Are you?
You alright?
We found it, haven't we?
Yeah, we found it.
We found it. This is it. This is it. Just going to put my torch on in a minute.
Looks like there's a escape hatch down the back.
All right. Do you want to go in? Should we check it?
What's that?
Where's the escape hatch?
On top there, like a mound with grass or overgrowth.
Oh, talking about overgrowth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see it on there, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit better now.
Yeah. Cool. Let's go. Oh, he wants me to check it out first.
Well, you're on off, you found it.
Looks dry anyway.
That's a bonus.
Ah. Wow. That gate.
There's a
steel gate. Cool.
Why?
I don't think it goes very far, you know.
And it's been bricked out since.
It has, hasn't it?
I know what they've been doing in here.
I think I do.
Yeah.
It's a shame it's only a small one.
Is it?
Saying that, where's that escape hatch?
Oh. What's this?
I know there's one in that corner as well. Is it for some sort of heating?
Or is it a vent? Ah. I know what they are.
What? Like a log thing?
No. Here's the entrance escape hatch.
Where?
There.
Oh, right, yeah, I was wondering. Oh.
There's the holes to get up.
Yeah.
They're back boxes.
Oh, are they?
Back boxes. That's what they are.
Oh, right, right.
Oh, yeah. Be careful.
Oh, yeah, there's the escape hatch. Wonder if there's any more around
There's
here.
a big crack down there.
I don't know.
Wonder if it's been hitting the wall or something. The bomb off nearby.
Yeah.
All them little flies. Yeah. Nasty. Loads of them.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's only a little short one, but
Yeah. It's a short one, but
very short.
documenting history as you find it.
Yeah.
Look how old that box's been like that.
I know.
Does the door move?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Blue on the back with a wooden board.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, them slugs up there.
I don't like folding though.
Oh, them slugs up there.
Slug heaven. Slug heaven. Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. Wonder if there's any more around there. Just seems a bit odd just having one.
Yeah. This is your bag here.
Yeah.
Well, pal. Thank you very much.
No worries. I just wish there was a bit more around there, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No worries. Catch you soon.
Catch you soon, everyone. Yeah.